In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate two WhatsApp business accounts on one phone. We'll use your phone's built-in app cloning feature, so there's no need for third-party tools. Before we begin, make sure you have two different numbers available for verification, since each WhatsApp business account must be tied to its own number. It also helps to have WhatsApp Business updated to the latest version, and if you have important chats, consider backing them up first. Start on your phone's settings. You can open it from your app drawer or by tapping the gear icon in your quick settings panel. If your settings menu is busy, use the search bar at the top and type apps to jump there quickly. Next, open the apps section. On some phones, this might be labeled apps and notifications or application manager, but the idea is the same. It's the place where you manage installed apps and related features. Now look for the feature that duplicates or clones apps. Depending on your device, it may be called cloned apps, dual apps, app twin, or dual messenger. If you don't see it right away inside apps, check for a submenu like advanced features or special access, then look again for the cloning option. Once you're in, scroll until you find WhatsApp Business in the list of supported apps. Turn on the switch to create a clone of WhatsApp Business. Your phone may prompt you to confirm, download a small support component, or choose whether the cloned app should have access to a separate contacts list. Accept the prompts that make sense for you. When it's done, your home screen or app drawer will show a second WhatsApp Business icon, often with a small badge or marker to distinguish it from the original. Head back to your home screen and open the newly cloned WhatsApp Business app. You'll see the standard setup flow. When asked for a number, enter your second business number, not the one already in use on the original app. Complete the verification either by SMS or a verification call, and then proceed with the usual setup. Add your business name and profile details, restore a backup only if it belongs to this second number, and adjust notification preferences so you can tell the two accounts apart. That's it. You now have two independent WhatsApp business accounts running side by side on the same phone. If you don't see a cloning option at all, your device may not support it. Check for software updates or consult your manufacturer's help resources. Otherwise, you're ready to manage both business lines from one device cleanly and efficiently.